Sophie. Time to wake up.
Bonjour. Let me sleep 5 more minutes.
It's not a great day to have a lie-in. You've got a meeting at 9 a.m.
Bonjour is here to make your morning easier. It's going to change the way you wake up every day. No more buttons. It's so much easier to talk.
What about the traffic on the road to my office?
The road is clear, but it's gonna get busy in 40 minutes. I advise you use public transportation. BART network, then Caltrain.
Okay, I'm getting up. Bonjour. Turn the temperature up.
Meet Bonjour, the smart alarm clock you talk to. We founded Holly 4 years ago. Our mission? To make your mornings brighter. Our team has over 50 years of experience in electronic devices, from product design to manufacture. For more than a year, we've been working on Bonjour software, from AI to voice recognition. We worked with award-winning designers to offer you a breathtaking design masterpiece.
Hey James, you didn't walk much today. Tomorrow is Saturday. How about going for a run?
Wake me up tomorrow morning at 7:30, if the weather's good. If not, let me sleep.
We dreamed of a product that knows what you want before you do.
Bonjour. Play something relaxing.
It gathers information such as weather, traffic, news.
Do you have anything to tell me?
Hey James, you should check your security cam.
After a year of hard work, we need your support to produce Bonjour on an industrial scale and to launch it on the market.
We've completed the design, outsourced the manufacturers, and developed the software.
We need your support to make Bonjour a reality.
Thanks for your support.